Hey, it's Up North Guy again. I want to show you a simple maintenance action that I take on my 2025 tractor to clean out the air filter that's on it. Now, I don't know about you, but I get a lot of debris and grass on the front of the tractor. Just will collect in here because it's sort of sucking in material there into the front, and then also on the side. I do a lot of kind of rough grass cutting. I do a lot of trail cutting, so leaves and debris is always collecting up in there. So I'm having to get back inside of the tractor to clean out the air filter. It's a really simple thing to do. I do it about every, I would say, 10 or 15 hours out here, especially if I see a lot of debris building up in the front. So I'll get in there and show you how to clean out that little air cleaner screen. Alright, so first thing you got to do is get in here and open up the hood. I did a different video about how to open the hood because there's nothing back here that helps you with that. It's actually more difficult to open the hood than it should be, but basically there's a little latch here that you can just push a screwdriver into like that. That's going to push up the hood right there. And check out my other video if you need other help with that. So here's a radiator screen right on front here. That looks pretty good. My engine is hot. I'm going to pull this screen up here. So you can see it's got a lot of debris on it that has already come through the front of it, through this little radiator here, and then onto the back there. So I want to just clean this off, and I just use like a simple brush like this. Very simple, just to brush it off. Get all that cleaned off of there, front and back. And then just going to slide it right back down in there. And that's all there is to cleaning that little air screen. Hey, thanks for watching again. Check out my channel, Up North Guy, on YouTube. I got more videos about the 2025 and how I use it. Other how-tos, product reviews, life and living up here, beautiful northern Michigan.